Created in close collaboration with real mums, Tommee Tippee's Closer to Nature electric breast pump is comfortable, discreet and easy to use. It comes with all you need to express, feed and store your breast milk so that your baby can still have your breast milk even when you're not there. Before you use the electric breast pump, remember to separate and sterilise each component that will come into direct contact with the breast or its milk. Use one of our sterilisers in the Closer to Nature range, or try the compact steriliser box that comes standard with the electric breast pump. When you sterilise your pump, bear in mind that 3 components should never be sterilised: the air tube, motor and mains power adapter. Inadvertently sterilising these parts can render them unusable. Now, once the contact parts of the pump have been sterilised, you're free to assemble the device. The electric breast pump's intuitive design makes it easy to put together. But take care not to rush. Each component should align and fit securely. Designed to mimic a baby's natural feeding action, the electric breast pump is best used in a relaxed and familiar setting. When you've found a spot to settle down, attach the cup to your breast and activate the pump. Remember to keep the bottle in a level position and not to cover the small vent with your hand. After a few seconds, your milk should begin to let down. Within a minute or so, your milk will start to flow. This means you're ready to switch to the low expression level on your electric breast pump. From there, progress to the medium or high setting as required. If a particular setting proves uncomfortable, you can always go back down the scale. Take care to finish expressing before you reach the 150 milliliter mark on the bottle. If you're using one of our storage pots, finish before you exceed the 50 milliliter mark. When you've done, switch off the pump and unplug it from the wall. Unscrew the bottle from the breast pump and seal it. If you've expressed into a milk storage pot, place the lid on first and then detach the pot from the pump. Tommee Tippee's unique collect and protect milk storage system allow you to express directly into handy containers, whereupon you can immediately cover and store your milk in a fridge or freezer until it is needed. When it's feeding time, you can even use one of our containers as a sippy cup. But as always, we recommend you seek advice from your midwife or health visitor before attempting to cup feed. For busy mothers who want to breastfeed for longer, Tommee Tippee's electric breast pump is the ideal partner. It gives mums the freedom to express anywhere, at any time, which means that a baby can continue to enjoy all of the nutritional benefits of breast milk, even when mum isn't there.